Eric, I've heard that you did a lot of research and that you went on some ride-alongs for this show, and that some of them got a little bit real.
Yeah.
So tell us about that.
Well, first let me tell you how my cast got me tased.
Yes!
Start with that
Oh yeah,
research.
let's hear that one.
Do tell that story.
Don't tell that story.
Don't tell that story.
Oh. What do you guys think? Should he tell the story?
I'm very committed.
Let me just show you the video.
I'm a police officer, and to become a police officer, you have to get tased. My boy Titus over there can smile because he also experienced being tased, but nobody else here did.
No one.
But we told him we did.
But they told me that they all did.
So when he came back, he
And
said,
they
well,
even
we
held
all...
my hand.
Oh, yeah.
I squealed.
As you ride.
But no, I did do some intense ride-alongs along with that, and it added a lot of perspective to my character on the show. And one in particular, I got myself into a situation I did not think was going to happen, and I have a lot of appreciation for what cops do on a daily basis. It is a lot of work. It is a lot of work. They keep us safe.
Would you like to share what?
Oh, it's a long story.
It's a
I
long-
don't want to bore you all.
That ends with him in the back of a police car driving through a block party of, what was the gang?
I don't remember the name of the game, but
it was a
probably
gang.
figure 100 gang members are in the street throwing their corporate party. It happens once a year. They all gather up and they have some cocktails. And
Cut to Eric.
It was,
I wish I wasn't here.
it was the director. It was our director, Liz, in the front, me in the back, and one cop. And we were blocked in with 100 gang members, and the officer had decided to tell them they should all move their cars.
Oh.
Or he's coming back with his boys. And I'm in the back seat going, my doors are not bulletproof. And it was very intense.
How can you just not want to shoot that face?
It was nuts. But I made it out, and we ended up at a Church's Chicken around 11 o'clock. And I will not lie when I say, within 5 minutes, there were probably 30 officers all rallying within 5 minutes about this, about how we were going to infiltrate this block party and clear them all out.
What do you mean we?
And I was like, I'm sorry, we? And they're like, yeah, but you're cool, right? Like, I don't have a vest on. What do you mean cool? Can you go over the wall? I'm like, no, I'm not going over the wall.
Less cool, more untrained.
But can I get a selfie?